how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm excited about this radio. I now have it hooked up to my MFJ 31-foot vertical antenna. And the band conditions right this second, or for the past few minutes, have been excellent. And so I just wanted to tune the radio for a few minutes and show you how well it does. So here we go. I'm on 10 megahertz WWV. And it's 7:25 in the morning. Whoa! And that was just tuning the band. Preacher Man. Data. Weak station. I hope you can read the frequency. .701 thereabouts. It's China radio, I believe. Yeah, 970. Something there weak. Another religious station.
www.churchofchristpreaching.com. Let's read that again. And now Paul, earnestly beholding the council, said, Men and brethren, I have lived in a good conscience before God unto this day. And the high priest of I commanded them that stood by him to smite him on the mouth.
There's so many stations I pick it up. I'm just going to tune the 31 meter band. Okay, that's about it. Go down a little further. It's another time signal. .85 probably. Maybe out of Canada. Loud and clear. Notice the S meter is basically 0. Now it's working because I've seen it jump up. But the noise floor is so low that it's picking up those very weak stations. Phenomenal. Just phenomenal. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. You know, right now in Florida, the weather is really nice. Although, they say next week it'll be in the 90s. The 90s? In February? Canada. Yeah. There we go. So, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. I'm really liking this radio. Really liking this radio. Bye-bye.